Hello, everyone, and welcome to my buddy, Mr. English. Most people use ChatGPT to write emails or do homework, but very few people know that ChatGPT can help you learn English, and even fewer people know how to use it the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into your English teacher, your speaking partner, and your daily practice tool. I'll give you simple prompts you can copy and use immediately. You don't need a native speaker. You don't need expensive courses. Just ChatGPT, a few minutes a day, and the right method. If you stay consistent, this is how you build real English fluency. Let's get started. The first and most important way to use ChatGPT to learn English is for speaking practice. Many learners don't speak English because they don't have anyone to practice with. They understand English, but they stay silent. ChatGPT changes that. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Act as my English speaking partner. Ask me one simple question at a time and wait for my answer. When ChatGPT asks a question, answer out loud. Don't type your answer. Speak it. It doesn't matter if your answer is short. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Making mistakes means you are learning. After you finish speaking, type this. Correct my answer and explain my mistakes in simple English. ChatGPT will show you a better way to say the same idea. Read the corrected sentence slowly, then read it again out loud. This step helps your brain learn natural English patterns. Over time, these patterns become automatic. You can repeat this process many times. Question, answer, correction, repeat. You can practice anytime, whether it's in the morning, the afternoon, or at night. Even just 5 minutes a day is enough to build real confidence. The most important rule is simple. Speak first, learn from your mistakes, and keep practicing every day. Over time, speaking English will start to feel natural. After speaking practice, the next step is improving your grammar naturally. Many learners think grammar means memorizing rules, but grammar is really about learning natural sentence patterns. ChatGPT helps you do this clearly and step by step. After you speak, type this prompt. Correct my sentence and rewrite it in a more natural way. For example, you might type this sentence. Yesterday, I go to market and buy some foods. ChatGPT might respond like this. Here is the corrected sentence. Yesterday, I went to the market and bought some food. Explanation. Go becomes went because it happened in the past. Food is uncountable, so we don't add s. Read the corrected sentence slowly. Then read it again out loud. This helps your brain remember correct English patterns. If the explanation feels confusing, ask this. Explain this in simpler English. ChatGPT might respond like this. We use past tense verbs to talk about yesterday. Food is usually not plural in English. You can do this with any sentence you use in daily life. Practice 1 or 2 sentences every day. Over time, you'll stop making the same mistakes. Grammar becomes natural when you see it used correctly again and again. This is how ChatGPT helps you improve grammar without stress. The next way to use ChatGPT to learn English is for vocabulary. Many learners memorize long word lists, but then forget the words quickly. Vocabulary becomes useful only when you learn it in context. ChatGPT helps you do that. Type this prompt. Explain this word in simple English and give me examples. For example, you type the word busy. ChatGPT might respond like this. Busy means having a lot to do and not much free time. Example 1, I'm busy this morning, but I'm free in the afternoon. Example 2, she's busy with work this week. After reading the examples, say this. Give me 2 more examples for daily conversation. ChatGPT might respond. I'm sorry, I'm busy right now. Can I call you later? It's a busy day at the office. This helps you see how the word is used in real life. You can go one step further and ask this. Show me common word combinations with this word. ChatGPT might respond. Common combinations include busy day, busy schedule, busy with work. Choose one example and say it out loud, then make your own sentence. This small step helps the word stay in your memory. You don't need to learn many words in one day. One or two useful words are enough. When you learn vocabulary this way, you don't just know the meaning. You know how to use the word naturally. Learning English doesn't need to be complicated. With the right prompts and a few minutes a day, ChatGPT can become a powerful part of your English routine. You can practice speaking without fear, fix your mistakes, learn useful vocabulary, and improve your pronunciation all in one place. The key is consistency, not perfection. Start small, practice every day. If this video helped you, try one prompt today and see how it feels. And if you want more simple and practical English practice like this, subscribe and keep learning with me. See you in the next video.